Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School TAI. This is your social studies class, video number 7. Today we will do lesson number 5, learning. I am Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. Dear students, open your book, page number 12. Lesson number 5, learning. Lesson number 5, learning. Today we will learn about learning, about this lesson. And first, I will read, then I will explain, okay? Now listen to me. Let's start. You learn about many things in school. Here are some things you learn about in your class. When you get older, you will study many others. When you get older, you will study many other subjects. Here are some of the subjects we study in school. What is this? Writing, numbers, painting. Second paragraph is about languages. The first language you learn as a child is called your mother tongue. It could be Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Pashto, English, or another language. In school, you may have to learn 2 or 3 different languages. Third paragraph. What is this? Mathematics. Everybody needs to know about numbers. When you go to buy something, you have to know how to count. You have to know how much money to pay to the shopkeeper and how much change you should get in return. Now look at page number 13. Next, about social studies. And this is our subject, social studies, okay? Social studies. In social studies, you learn about geography and history. In geography, you learn about the world we live in. You get to know about your own country. You also learn about life is like in other countries. We learn what people do for a living and how they earn and spend. You learn about the weather, the land, seas, and rivers, and the people of the world. History tells us about what happened long ago. You learn how people live, how cities grew, and how people move from one place to another. You also learn about what great people did. Next is about science. What is this? Science. There are many kinds of science. In some, you learn about plants and animals. In others, you can study how the earth was made, how things work, and what things are made of. Last one, last paragraph, this is about sports. Most people like to take part in sports. Work makes us tired. Games help us relax and keep healthy. You also learn to play together as a team. Is it clear? Now students, all of you read with me, then I will explain, because first you should know reading, how we read it. Okay, now listen again. What is this? Learning. Lesson number 5, learning. All of you say learning. What is this? Learning. Learning. You learn about many things in school. Here are some things you learn about in your class. What you will learn? Look at this one. What is this? Writing. Writing. Then what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? Numbers. Say, all of you say loudly. Numbers. Painting. Painting. When you get older, you will study many other subjects. Here are some of the subjects we study in school. Okay, students? Now look at this one. What is this? Languages. What is this? Languages. The first language you learn as a child is called your mother tongue. What is this? Mother tongue. It could be Urdu. All of you speak loudly. Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Pashto, English, or another language. In school, you may have to learn 2 or 3 different languages. Okay. Now look at this one. What is this? Mathematics. What is this? Mathematics mean about numbers. Now read this paragraph. Everybody needs to know. Here we will read it. No, not know. K is silent here. Okay. No. Everybody needs to know about numbers. When you go to buy something, you have to know how to count. You have to know how much money to pay to the shopkeeper and how much change you should get in return. Okay, students? Now, what about social studies? Read it first, then I will explain. Which subject is this? Now, which subject we are doing? Social studies. And here in this lesson, also learning about social studies. Okay, now look at this one and read with me. In social studies, you learn about geography and history. In geography, you learn about the world we live in. You get to know about your own country. You also learn what life is like in other countries. We learn what people do for a living and how they earn and spend. You learn about the weather, the land, seas, and rivers, and the peoples of the world. History tells us, history tells you about what happened long ago. You learn how people lived, how cities grew, and how people move from one place to another. You also learn about what great people did. Now this one, science. Okay, what is this? Science. There are many kinds of science. In some, you learn about plants and animals. In others, you can study how the earth was made, how things work, and what things are made of. Now, last is about sports. Most people like to take part in sports. Work makes us tired. Games help us relax and keep healthy. You also learn to play together as a team. Okay, students? Now I'm going to explain learning. In this lesson, you will learn about different subjects, different languages, what you will learn and what you are doing in your class in the school. So look at this one. Here are some things you learn about in your class. This is specific about your class, what you will learn in the class. Writing, numbers, painting. When you get older, you will study many other subjects. Here are some of the subjects we study in the school. Okay, this is the basic thing. First, when you go in the school, then what you will learn? First, you will learn about writing, how you can write. First, you want to speak, you want to say, what is this? For example, you will learn about a apple. Then first, what you will do? First, you will write or you will speak. First, you will speak. You will say this word, a, apple. Then you will learn writing. How we can write a, or how we can write one, or how we can write Arabic word alif. Okay. So first we will speak and then we will learn. Then we will write. You can learn in the school about English, maths, and also Arabic. When you will get older, then you will study about more another subjects. You will learn about languages, about mathematics, about social studies, science, sports, and many other things. First, about languages. What is a language? The first language you learn as a child is called your mother tongue. It could be Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Pashto, English, or another language. In school, you may have to learn two or three different languages. Like about your school, students are coming from different nationalities, from different countries. All of them have specific their mother tongue. It is called a child language, it is called a mother tongue. Some students speak Urdu, some Punjabi, some Sindhi, some Balochi, Pashto, English, or some Arabic. But in the school, when you come in the school, then you can learn about two or three different languages like If you are Urdu speaking, when you will go in the school, then you learn about English and Arabic. If you are Arabic speaking, then you will also learn about these two, at least two languages. You will learn about English. Okay, so in the school, when you come in the school, then you learn about three languages. Also, you can say in this picture, this one is Ba, Wow, Hamza. What is this? You can say Urdu or Arabic. And A, apple. B, ba, ball, like this. What is this? English. Okay, and this one is Jim, like this, Urdu. In school, you may have to learn two or three different languages. Okay, next is about mathematics. Mathematics is very, very necessary for us. If you don't know about mathematics, then how we can count money, how we can earn, how we can spend. Okay, so everybody needs to know about numbers. When you go to buy something, you have to know how to count. You have to know how much money to pay to the shopkeeper and how much change you should get in return. Okay, students, if you don't know about numbers, mean 1 to 100, 1 to 1000, like this, then you can buy. If you don't know, then you cannot buy and you cannot spend money. I mean, if you are buying, if you bought like several real things, then you don't have change and you want to give 10 real to shopkeeper, then how many real you can get back? 3 real. If you know about numbers mean 1 to 10, then you can understand. I want to take or he will return me 3 real. If you don't know about numbers, then you will purchase things of 7 real and then you cannot get back 3 real. Okay, students, so mathematics is very, very necessary for us. Next is about social studies. This is our subject. What is this? This is the social studies. And in social studies, you will learn about geography and history. In geography, you will learn about the whole world. I mean, you can see this is the map. This is the map of the whole world. Meaning how many countries are there, how many distances between two countries, where we live, how many water is on the earth, or about seas, about rivers, about land, about weather, you can understand, okay, with the help of geography. I mean, we can learn with the help of geography. In geography, we will learn about all these things. And what about history? History also tells us about our past. I mean, what happened in our past and what our great leaders did. I mean, about Pakistan, now you can say how Pakistan became independent and which one our great leader did about Pakistan. Every year you celebrate students in the specific one special day of Qaeda-Azam Day, of Allama Iqbal Day. Why? Because these are the national heroes of the Pakistan. Okay, so this is about history. History tells you mean what they did in foundation of Pakistan. Okay, students. So in social studies, we will learn about geography and also about our history. I mean, today we can say after 2 days, after 3 days, there is a rainy day. How we can say with the help of geography. Through geography, we learn about the weather cost, what happened, and also about the land, which one is a mountain, where are mountains, which one is a hilly area, which one is a plain area, like this, and about rivers, about water, and about each and everything about the earth. Okay, and history also, I told you, history tells us about our past. Now, next is about science. What is this? Science. There are many kinds of science. In some you learn about plants and animals. In others you can study how the earth was made, how things work, and what things are made of. In junior level you studied about only science, but in higher levels, inshallah, you will study about different branches of science. Plants, about botany, about zoology, what happened in the botany, what happened in the zoology, and also about microorganisms. These are three major divisions of biology. So this is the science. Students, when you will go in higher classes like ninth class, 10th class, then you will learn about physics, chemistry, and biology. And again, chemistry divided into different branches like organic, inorganic chemistry, and biology divided into different in major divisions: botany, zoology, and microbiology, and also physics. Okay, so these are the branches of science, and science tells us about plants and animals, about living things, about non-living things. How we can differentiate between the living things and non-living things. Okay, so which one tells us? Science. Last one is about sports. What is a sports? All of you should know about this one. Every year you are celebrating this week, sports week. Yes, Gala Sports Week. Most people like to take part in sports. Work makes us tired. Games help us relax and keep healthy. You also learn to play together as a team. Yes, students, you tell me about this one because you enjoyed it also this year. Whole week. When you will get tired after exams, then what you want to celebrate, you want to make sports week. You want sports week. And what happened? Sports week helps you in relax, and also you keep healthy by playing different games. And you will play in a group together as a group. Okay, so this is the about different subjects. We will learn about different subjects. Okay, now we will do question answers. In this exercise you can see here 3 question answers, but we will do 6 question answers. Okay, so your focus should be on the questions, first reading and then question answers. Okay, learn it by heart with spellings, write and learn. Okay, question number 1: in which subject do you learn about numbers? Number 2: write the names of the languages you learn in school. Why are sports good for us? Okay, now this is the work page. A part: match the following. How you will match? First, read these words. Look at this column: history, mathematics, languages, art, sports, science, geography. Then you have to match this word with the specific, like its definition. What happened in the history? What we will learn in the history. Okay, so you have to match with the correct sentence. Now, anyone can tell me about history? What history tells us? I told you, history tells us about the past. Understand how you can define it? History tells us about the past. What happened in our past? How can we understand? By history. Number 2, mathematics. Number 2, mathematics. In mathematics, you will learn about what? Can you tell me? About numbers. Okay, students, in mathematics, you will learn about numbers. Numbers meaning like counting 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 100, 1 to 1000. Okay, about numbers. Mathematics tells us about numbers. Now languages. What about languages? What happened in languages? You will learn what? Reading, writing, and speaking. What is a language? In languages, you learn about first reading. First, you should know read, then write, and then speak. If you are reading A, then you should write it. Okay, so writing, and then you can speak it. A apple. Like also about numbers. If you are learning about numbers, then first you should read, write, and then speak. Okay. Now next is about art. What happened in the art? Art tells us about drawing and painting. Drawing and painting. You all of you knows about this one. Draw apple and color it, or draw any painting, tree like this, like book, anything. Okay. In art, you will learn about drawing and painting. Next, sports. Yes, in sports, what you will learn? Sports tells us what you will do. Exercising the body. Exercising the body. What is a sports? You want to play cricket, you want to play hockey or football, anything, then what happens? You are doing exercise, okay? Exercising the body. Science. Yes. What science tells us? Science tells us about plants, animals, and how things work. Last one, geography. Geography. Geography tells us about the peoples and countries of the world. Okay. So this is the A part of workbook. Match the following. Now B part. Fill in the blanks below. My favorite subject. Your favorite subject is English, but you can write your subject. Second is my teacher. Who is your teacher? Sir Imtiaz. Okay, students and girls, you can write name of your teacher. Title of my textbook. What is the title of your textbook? Social Studies. This is the Social Studies. So this is the main title of your textbook. Author's name. What is the author's name? Nicholas Forsberg. Okay. And number of pages. How many pages in this book? 63. And what you will like? I like apple. Why? Because it is good for health. Okay. This is the work page do in your book. Okay, students. Now we will do question answers. Question number 1. In which subjects do you learn about numbers? Very easy. I told you now. Which one? Mathematics. I learn about numbers in mathematics. Okay. Question number 2. Write the names of the language you learn in the school. Yes, in your school, Pakistan International School. You will learn English, Urdu, and Arabic. I learn English, Urdu, and Arabic. Okay. Now question number 3. Why are sports good for us? Sports are good for us because they make us healthy and strong. Okay, students, these are the question answers. Number 1. In which subject do you learn about numbers? Which one? Mathematics. So answer is I learn about numbers in mathematics. Question number 2. Write the names of the language you learn in the school. I learn English, Urdu, and Arabic. Question number 3. Why are sports good for us? Answer. Sports are good for us because they make us healthy and strong. Okay, students. Now question number 4. In which subject we will learn about plants and animals? Yes, science. Okay, just learn this one and this one you can write from the question. In science, we learn about plants and animals. Now question number 5. What is the first language of communication in your school. Okay, which one is the first language? English. Okay, English is the first language of communication in your school. Okay, students, these are question answers. And now I want to give you homework. Write question answers in your notebook and then memorize. And also do page number 14 of workbook in your book. Okay, students, learn it and write it. Okay, see you with next video. Allah Hafiz.